Okay, this is the choreography instructions for the section right after the chorus. So you just went, oh, this is the greatest show. Then you're going to just turn low and cross out this way. And then you're going to take your left foot and drag out. Drag, flick the right toe, hop, out, together. So you're going to drag left, hop on the left as you flick the right foot behind, hop, out, together. Then you're going to jump with your knees together, jump, jump, scuff, hop, with the heel down on the floor, the toe goes up, and then just cross out here. So it's whoa, colossal we come, these renegades in the ring. On the word in the ring, your feet come together. Then you're going to do the exact same thing, but go to the right. Okay, so you slide right, left foot drags, hop on the right as you flick the left toe back, step out together, and then we do the same thing to the left, except for we're jumping left, hop, or scuff the right heel, and then out, and then we go crown them the circus king. We're going to jump out on crown the circus king. Then we have hands go up, knees are in twice, hit, don't fight it, and then on the word coming, you're going to put your left foot forward, you're going to drag it back, and then pop the right foot back. So it's hit, don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. And then we're going to do pulse with the right foot out, pulse, pulse. This goes hit, hit with hand up, right hand up, and then you're going to cross and down. Ladies, you're just going to go cross and down the side. Okay, so that goes don't fight it. We're here, 6, ready, and hit. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. Hit, it's only this moment, don't care what comes after. And then we're going to have hop on the left, leap to the right, touch back left. Then you're going to hop the same on the right, leap to the left, touch back. So it's leap, hop, back, hop, leap, back. And you're just going to go across the face, and then up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then all we do is we jump apart, just surrender, and then we have straight across, double shampoo, prep for the turn, and then we're back into the chorus. Okay, so we just ended here. Okay, this is the greatest show. Oh, wait a second. Whoa, so yeah, we just turn, feet come together, and then drag left. Hop, out, and colossal we come, these renegades in the ring. Whoa, where the lost get found, and we crown them the circus king. Hit, don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. And then 1, the thing that you know. Scuff, just surrender because you're coming and you want to go. And then this is all the same. Where you want to go, where it's covered in all the colored lines. So that's the next chorus, and you do the exact same choreography as you did before. One more chunk.